Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix if your mouse is not working. So that means we are just going to use the keyboard keys on our laptop. So let's go quick into the process. Press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Now type here in the small bar devmgmt.msc. It's devmgmt.msc. Hit enter. Now the device manager window will appear. Now press the tab key once. Now you will be directed to your laptop name and then use the down arrow key until you arrive to the mice and other pointing devices. Now use the right arrow key and then use the down arrow key and click on the HID compliant mouse. Hit enter. Then press the tab keys. Then you have to click on the right arrow key. Then use the right arrow key and you'll be directed to the driver tab. Use the down arrow key. Okay, let me do it again. HID compliant mouse, hit enter. And then you have to use the tab keys. Then use the right arrow key. And then you have to choose the tab keys again until you arrive at the uninstalled device. Then you have to hit enter. Now this warning window will appear. You're about to uninstall this device from your system. Then you have to hit enter to uninstall the mouse driver. And after that, press the Windows key on your keyboard. Then you have to use the tab keys. And then use the right arrow key and you'll arrive at this power option. Hit enter. And you just need to use the down arrow key and choose the restart option, and that's it. After that, that issue will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.